Hello everyone, today the Agrodronas team is greeting you from the fields. We are here to demonstrate how this small drone assists in the entire workflow, from defining precise field boundaries to generating variable rate prescription maps that can be imported into Agrodronas systems and tractor equipment. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, the drone requires a mission, which we have created using the remote controller. In the settings, we input parameters such as field size, flight altitude, and flight speed. Based on this data, an autonomous mission is generated, allowing the drone to navigate the field independently. This means the pilot only needs to monitor the parameters. During the flight, the RTK icon is visible. This indicates that the drone is connected via RTK, ensuring that the generated map, including perimeters and obstacles, will be extremely precise, with an error margin of no more than a few centimeters. Pix4D Fields allows us to stitch photos into comprehensive maps, apply vegetation indices, and create variable rate maps that are compatible with both sprayers and our agricultural drones. Created with Pix4D Fields is now loaded into the Agrodronas system. All that's left is to start the operation and watch the process unfold. During the Agrodronas flight, we can monitor various parameters such as speed, altitude, the application rate, and its trajectory across the field.